Welcome everyone! In today's video, we'll be reviewing the HIBOITEC under cabinet lighting, which is a fantastic lighting solution for your kitchen, pantry, or stairs. This product is battery-operated, wireless, and features 65 LED lights, dimmable settings, and 3 different color temperatures. Let's dive in and see why this light could be a great choice for your home. Design. First, let's talk about the design. The HIBOITEC light is slim and compact, making it easy to fit into narrow spaces like cabinets or shelves. Its modern and minimalist design blends seamlessly with the decor of your kitchen or any other part of your home. The best part is that it's completely magnetic, allowing for easy installation and effortless removal for charging. Battery and charging. Now let's discuss the battery and charging. The HIBOITEC under cabinet lighting runs on a rechargeable battery that provides long-lasting power. Once fully charged, it can last for weeks, saving you the hassle of frequent recharging. Motion sensor. Next, let's talk about the motion sensor feature. This light automatically turns on when it detects nearby movement and turns off after 20 seconds of inactivity. This feature saves energy and is extremely helpful during late-night trips around the house. You won't have to fumble for a switch. The light does all the work for you. Dimmable feature. Now, let's discuss the dimmable feature. This allows you to adjust the brightness of the light to your liking. You can easily increase or decrease the brightness as needed. Additionally, it comes with 3 different color temperatures: cool white, warm white, and natural light, allowing you to choose the right lighting for any situation. User experience. Speaking of user experience, most users report high satisfaction with this product. They mention that it provides excellent lighting for their kitchens and other areas. This light is particularly beneficial for those who work at night or need a little extra light in. Dark areas. Its simple installation process means you won't need any professional help. In conclusion, the HIBOITEC under cabinet lighting is a smart, effective, and efficient lighting solution for your home. Its motion sensor, dimmable features, and rechargeable battery make managing your home's lighting a breeze. If you're looking for a light that is easy to install, user-friendly, and long-lasting, then the HIBOITEC under cabinet light could be your best choice. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or would like to see reviews of other products, feel free to leave a comment. See you in the next video.